We're gonna throw in the airbags. And then we'll be rolling. So we just gotta jack this thing up. Put blocks underneath the frame. And then drop down the axle. And then once the springs are all stretched out, take all the air out of the airbags and stuff them in there. Load them up with a bit of air. Sit her back down on the stacks and boom. Ready for the camper. Got the blocks, baby. So yeah, we're just gonna throw this on the truck, pop it up. So on the jack stands. Disclaimer, this is not the preferred method of extending your springs, but we got it done. Like everything, the second one went like a breeze. It was easy. The first one, a struggle. Sun went down. It's a little cooler now. Just got it back in place here. Just gonna do some final steps, set up some of the airlines. So we got in the airbags, all loaded up, all tight. Like most things, it looked a lot easier on YouTube, but we got it done. The airbags are in. That's the beauty. This thing actually fits on like a compact pickup. It's a half ton, and it being a little narrower, you can fit all this extra stuff. So, and it's just so light on there. It's perfect. Real-Lite, baby. Ready to go camping.
Oh, there she goes. No problem. Camper life with the family. But here I brought a lumberjack with me, so we'll get through. Just give him another few minutes.